Welcome to Wolf Trading. In this video we're going to break down our trading model and in particular the first long that happened in the early European session on the 20th of January. This is the Euro US, the 1 minute chart. Okay, let's look at triggers. Before we go further, I'm going to use shortcut keys. The shortcut keys are Wolf Trading EA shortcut keys. If you don't use Wolf Trading, follow this manually, but for Wolf Trading users, just use the keystrokes that I'll replicate here. Alright, let's put a channel in place. When the market hits a range and then breaks that range, the highest probability bounce point is double that range. So you can see here by C-clicking that channel, we'd expect it to bounce somewhere in that zone. Okay, now on a 1 minute chart you've really got high and lows, you're looking for some historical evidence, etc. But probability is it should bounce here and it should go back to the start of the second channel. Alright, now we need to assess, we look at this, we're expecting a bounce in that zone. I'm going to hide that channel. Once again, there's no certainties with trading, it is just probability. The highest probable bounce point for that last micro channel being duplicated is there. Now there's no guarantee it's going to go back to here or break that channel, or it could break this channel. All you're looking for is high probability bounce points and then reflect on the type of bounce you get and decide whether it is a keeper or not. Okay, so our entry order is on that low with costs and commission, etc. X click there. That'll give us a break-even position about there. Alright, so let's look at trade management. When we place a trade, the Wolf Trading EA uses these parameters. So whatever your lot size, take profit, and stop loss is automatically applied to the trade. However, once the trade is in, you need to manage that trade. The market is pushed to the top of the channel. As soon as it bounces and pushes, we reduce our stop loss from the initial standard stop loss to that low. It's just a one-click feature of the program. Everything's one click. Trade placement, entry order placement, stop loss, take profit, all of that is one click. So you just click that low and your stop loss is applied to the low. Alright, now the market from break even, now I used Control F to get the crosshair cursor, there's 7.2 pips to the top of that channel. We set our auto break even to 7.2 pips, maybe shave it off a little bit and go back to 6.8 pips. And as soon as the market hits there, the EA is looking at each tick. As soon as the next contract reaches that price, it is automatically applied. It's very quick, much faster than you can do manually, and that's essential for equity management, safe trading in foreign exchange. Speed is your edge. Alright, so we've gone to break even as soon as the market price has hit the top of our channel. Now we're waiting to see the trade mature. Alright, C-click the low. The initial bounce is there, so we're expecting the market to bounce somewhere in that zone, but it actually reaches up to here. So there's our more aggressive take profit. Okay, so that take profit is adjusted to that level. So you just click there and that will automatically put your take profit to that level. Alright, so we've got, I'll mark that, X click for horizontal support and resistance. We now know, hide the channel, there's our initial trade, there's our take profit, but we've got a significant channel zone through here in which we want to secure some of our profit. So we assess the first zone, C-click, and we take 50% of our trade inside there. Now, break even, scale out 50%, they're all one click icon buttons in the Wolf Trading EA, but you also got the ability to scale out. So in this case we have from break even to that high, it's 19.3. So we adjust our scale out to say 18.8, just to give it a bit conservative, and we take 50%. The remaining balance of the trade will be taken there. Now, MT4 only allows you one take profit position. Wolf Trading allows you to take up to 5. The 4 if the scale out through here, and the final take profit that MT4 allows. The only condition Wolf Trading has on it is that you, of the accumulated scaling out, it's got to add up to 100%, of course. All right, so we take profit 50% at 18.8, and then the market breaks and oscillates a little here. We're a bit concerned that the market may have a larger retracement, so we want to lock in more profit. We look at the range through here. That's Control F again. That is a 7 pip range. So we put on an auto stop loss of 7 pips, and then we adjust our stop loss to that value. The market will, as it rises, will drag the stop loss up. So the EA will manage on each tick so that you get a trailing stop loss. That's what auto stop loss means. It's quick and easy to use. So there's the creation of the trade and the management of the trade using the Wolf Trading model for the 20th of January, this long. Now that was 18.8 pips for 50% of the equity, and the remaining balance was 34 pips. So that's a 34 pip run overall in the first half hour or more of London. I hope this has been helpful. We'll come back with a breakdown of the short in a little while. Happy trading.